Hey, I just want to make a quick video about a crank no start with the immobilizer light on condition for a 2017 Toyota Sienna. I was able to diagnose it to something wrong with the coil. So the way I was able to figure this out was car cranked and you could hear the starter spinning and everything, but the car wouldn't start. And also this light was on throughout the whole process. So there was something wrong with the immobilizer system, and there's a video out there for Toyota showing that a guy that replaced this coil, this part, and that ended up fixing the problem for him, and it also worked for me. So this part is the part that recognizes the key to the immobilizer system. So if the immobilizer light is still on, even though you have the right key, and there's definitely some break in the chain, and this was one of the first links that we tried. It's a $4 part. It's the cheapest part before you start digging into the immobilizer system, and it ended up working. So to do this, just unplug the battery from the hood, put the car, put the car in accessory mode, and that allows you to turn the wheel side to side. Even when the car's off, and that'll give you access to these screws right here. There's one screw right here. Unscrew that, turn the wheel to the other side. There's another screw on the other side as well. And then you can use a flathead to pry down the steering wheel cover on both sides. And that will give you access to the lock cylinder. And once you have access to the lock cylinder, this just pulls out this way. You just yank on it, and there's a wire that you have to unclip, and that's it. And once you get it out, it looks like this. See, it just slides in like this, and the wire goes in here. There's a little tab you have to push down. And other than that, once you push it in and you plug in your key with the new coil, it should start up right up. See, when you put in the key, the immobilizer light goes out, and that's how the system knows you have the right key. And there we go. So the condition to check is crank but no start, the immobilizer light, and when I try to sweep for codes, I did not get any codes. So the car knows that there's nothing wrong with it itself. It's just not able to read the key, and not being able to read the key doesn't necessarily initiate a case for a check engine light. So no check engine light, crank but no start, and immobilizer light. This call here might be your issue. I'll put the link of the reference video and the part number, and I hope you all have a good day. Thanks.